Now watch as he slams the Democrats for trying to play the holier-than-thou game and then doing something like this. Watch.
Obviously, Republicans are going to criticize, but Biden did make this line of attack particularly available, seeing as how he spent so long saying he wouldn't do it because of how much he respects the system.
I'm not going to do anything. I said I abide by the jury decision, and I will do that, and I will not pardon him.
Will you accept the jury's outcome, their verdict, no matter what it is?
Yes.
And have you ruled out a pardon for your son?
Yes.
You don't face the guy in the sun and try and get an honest answer. It immediately looks untrustworthy. You're going to give him a pardon?
Doesn't Joe Biden look exactly like Jeff Dunham's doll Walter? But anyway, if you guys are enjoying the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video. But let's get back into this clip.
The problem is the rest of the Democrats made Biden's pledge to not pardon Hunter the foundation of their defense of America, this grand experiment.
One political party remains committed to the rule of law and the other doesn't. It's that simple.
Hunter Biden's not above the law. No one is above the law. Democrats stand for the rule of law.
We accept the outcome because that's how the rule of law works.
Because the justice system that convicted his only surviving son is the same justice system he's vowed to protect. And if that doesn't tell you who Joe Biden is, I don't really know what does.
I think I know what does. And now look at the dance Democrats have to do.
He's right. I even said the same thing. Go ahead, pardon your son. Lie about pardoning your son. I don't care. But you just can't make your entire brand about being morally superior, respecting the rule of law and the institutions, while the other side is a threat to all those things. And that's why the Democrats are in such a tough position right now, is because if they criticize Joe Biden, then it publicly puts a spotlight in their own party on their own hypocrisies, and they all don't want to face that reality. So they have to sloppily try to justify it by doing the whole, but Trump, but Trump, but Trump, but Trump. It's the same thing Kamala did in all of her rallies, in all of her interviews. Anytime she's asked a question, it was, but Trump, look at Donald Trump this.
Look how confident and eloquent our Democratic representatives were back when they thought they had the moral high ground on this issue.
I've not heard a single Democrat anywhere in the country cry fraud, cry fixed, cry rigged, cry kangaroo court. You don't hear a single peep out of any Democrat saying that why we believe in the rule of law.
And now look at what even he has been reduced to.
Do you think President Biden should pardon Hunter Biden?
So there are lots of claims of political prosecution and political.
And was Hunter politically?
Well,
prosecuted?
I mean, obviously that's a judicial point, and you've got to look at what the evidence is. And I don't know enough
so
about
should the president pardon him?
I mean, again, that is a unilateral executive power, power that.
And should he use it?
Well.
I mean, we have an executive, and we have a judicial, and then a legislative, and then smoke bomb!
The Democrats repeatedly called us fascists, casually, like that isn't a dangerous and serious label to attach to somebody. You are coming at somebody's core character and principles. And then when you lose the election, it's, just forget about it. Let's move on, unity. And then proceed to do the exact thing that you accused us of doing.